Arsenal V squat. Now, this piece of machinery has a multitude of functions. Depending on your goal, obviously you can utilize them. So as Austin set up right now for a back squat, he'll be driving into the pad. We'll walk through that in just a moment. If he were to turn around and face the mirror, he could load this, the front deltoid right here and perform a front squat. Or with that same setting up point, he could perform a good morning and emphasize glutes and hamstrings. For right now, we're going to demo just a basic back squat with it, but just know you have options. And just like every other piece of Arsenal leg equipment here, that platform is adjustable. So if you want more knee flexion, a little bit higher up. If you want more hip hinging and involve a little bit more hamstrings and glutes, drop a little more parallel to the ground. Once we have those things set up, you load the weight again on the outside pegs. We're going to brace ourselves with our shoulders into that pad. We're going to have our feet slightly out in front of us just so we can drive our low back and glutes into that pad so there's no back rounding. We're going to push off, drive that safety bar out so that we can have the weight by itself. Once that has its clearance, you're going to set your feet, what feels comfortable, usually shoulder width or slightly outside, toes out just a tad, put the weight in the heels and outside of the foot. We're going to breathe into our abdomen yet again to support that low back. We're going to start our descend by knee flexion mostly. Once we hit that parallel slight below, we're going to exhale and drive right back up. Big inhale as you come back down that descend. Exhale and drive right back up. It's a good thing to know while we do this, since we're getting a lot of depth. When we're coming out of the hole, you want to emphasize driving up, but also spreading the ground so that our knees don't come in and cause any knee issues down the road. Once you hit your assigned rep count, you're going to come back up. You're going to take the safety, bring it back in. Good to go.